Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just click on settings, then you come to settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on audio visual, you just click on it. Then you click here on background sounds, just click on it. You come here to use when media is playing, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean use when media is playing, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.